Learning to use Blue Book to shop for healthcare is easy. You can search by procedure, physician, or facility. Let's look for a specific procedure. Enter your preferred city or zip code. To the left of the location, type in the first few letters of a procedure to see a list of options. The more you type, the fewer the results. Make your selection from the menu, and you'll see the fair price for your procedure. Remember, the fair price is the reasonable amount you should expect to pay for a procedure or medical service in your area. Green indicates facilities that charge at or below the fair price, yellow for costs slightly above the fair price, and red for the highest cost facilities. In this case, there's a $20,000 difference between Blue Book's fair price and the facility charging the highest cost for the procedure. Click the question mark to see a cost breakdown, and the X to close the window. Select from a list of facilities in your area. You can sort by cost or distance. Then, view a list of physicians who perform your procedure at that facility, along with directions and contact information. But before you schedule care, make sure your chosen provider is in-network. You'll also want to confirm the price. That's all there is to it. What could be easier than green, yellow, red? And our mobile app makes it just as easy to access information when you're on the go. Healthcare Blue Book, your guide to high-quality, affordable healthcare.